NEURA Robotics has just announced one of the biggest funding rounds in robotics history. The German robotics company revealed that it has secured up to $1.4 billion in Series C financing, making it what the company calls the largest funding round ever raised by a full-stack robotics company. But why is this such a big deal? NEURA Robotics is betting on a future where artificial intelligence doesn't just live inside computers and smartphones. Instead, AI will exist in physical machines that can move, interact with people, and perform real-world tasks. The company calls this vision physical AI. NEURA is developing cognitive robots and humanoid robots designed to work alongside humans in factories, warehouses, healthcare environments, and even homes. These machines combine advanced AI with physical capabilities, allowing them to understand their surroundings and take action in the real world. The funding round attracted an impressive list of investors, including Tether, Qualcomm Technologies, Amazon, Nvidia, Bosch, Schaeffler, the European Investment Bank, and several other strategic partners. According to the company, the new capital will be used to accelerate the deployment of its cognitive robots, expand its Neuraverse platform, and continue the global rollout of NEURA Gyms, specialized environments designed to train and improve robotic intelligence at scale. NEURA also plans to significantly expand manufacturing capabilities. The company has stated its goal of scaling production toward millions of robotic units by 2030. Adding to the momentum, NEURA Robotics says it already has an order book worth more than $1 billion, providing a strong commercial foundation for future growth. As investment in robotics and AI continues to surge worldwide, this record-breaking funding round highlights growing confidence that the next wave of artificial intelligence may not just think, but also act in the physical world. What do you think? Could physical AI and humanoid robots become part of everyday life sooner than we expect? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more robotics news.